Yeah, guys, welcome to this channel. Yeah, today I'll be taking you guys on how to build your proof of work on Telegram. Yeah, actually what I'm doing is I realize that most of the influencers that we have and those that have really made it on Web3 job space have actually not been creating it. Now, I'll be taking you guys on how tutorial on how to create your proof of work on your web on your Telegram. Though you can create it on your Telegram and on your X account as well. But because of to make it easier and then for reference purpose, you will need it more on your Telegram. So I'll be taking you guys through how you can create it. So how do you go about it? You go to your plus sign. Now you can see create new channel. You go to your new create new channel. Now you can see now this is where you name your channel, but wherever you are naming it, let it as a name linked to your name and then the kind of name that you are using on X. For me now, I'm using Wabo Crypto 5. So let's have it. So we write proof of work. Proof. You name it very well. Proof of work. Proof of work. Now let everything be in block letters. Proof of work. Then attach the name. Now you can see my. Now this name is also the name you see on my X. Now what? Just put your description there. Proof of work. And we are done. Now, what we need to do, is it going to be a public or a private? Since it's going to be a public link that you'll be sending out, let's make it public. And then your link name, because this is the link that you add to your to any of your updates or any if you're sending it to the general public. Now, since I already have a name for it, let me just use the same name I'm using there, which is Wabo Crypto 5. Now you can see that the name is available. So what I just do is I'll click it. So the name has been created this way. So I don't really need to do this. So just go there. Now my proof of work channel has been created. Now this is where you now bring in every of your works that you've done. Now any token you are working with or any coin you are working with. Now always first before you once you have done every other thing with the developers, the first thing you need to do is screenshots any things you are doing with them. Maybe you are their community manager, their reply guy, or their readers. Anyone you are doing, screenshot it as you're starting up, and at the end of it, you screenshot it as well. These are what you'll be putting in your proof of work, and always have a kind of a very beautiful write-up to start up with. And see you guys, and I think this is just a brief way to go with your proof of work. Channel has been created. What you need now is go out there and get jobs. See you guys in my next video. Bye.